Hello Jokers, thanks for watching this episode of Jokers Physiotherapy. So it has been about a couple of months since my last video, but today I wanted to share with you a asymmetry on the face and relationship to the chewing. Obviously that will contribute to what happens to the jaw. So you might search the term jaw and facial asymmetry and chewing. So this is about chewing and how you chew. Now, do you chew evenly through both right and the left teeth? What tends to happen when someone comes in to see me for their jaw problem or issues with their jaw, I can pretty much immediately tell if the problem may be significantly contributed by how they chew. In other words, do they favor chewing on right side? Maybe they have problem on the teeth on one side, and therefore they've been avoiding chewing on the, let's say, left side, the teeth on the left, back teeth are painful or not as strong feeling, or have had some numerous dental procedures and felt awkward for a couple of weeks, couple of months while he was under treatment. So you've learn to chew on one side. And what that does, when they present, they may have, the side they favor chewing will have their corner of the lip lifting up, may not be that exaggerated, maybe a little bit. And then the eyes, I'm artificially creating this situation. So it's hard to do it. Sorry, the corner of the lip on the side that you're chewing a lot or favoring the side, they will go up and then eye will come down. So there's the distance between the corner of the eye on the outside and the corner of the mouth will be closer on the side that you favor chewing. So if you see that, that may be because how you chew food. And if you're favoring chewing on one side from the current teeth problem on one side and you cannot chew freely on one side, therefore you've been favoring, or in the past, but for a couple of months, you've had trouble with the chewing, which I have had myself too. Crown, basically the teeth has cracked, but wasn't sure, so you have one filling to have it treated and the pain continues. Okay, you go again. By the time you have it fixed, sometimes it could be a couple of weeks, couple of months. In that time, you cannot not eat, so you keep chewing on one side, and that ends up becoming a habit after the repair on one side of the jaw or the teeth have been repaired. And you continue with a habit without knowingly or not paying attention. And that may have been a couple of months, couple of years ago, and you may still have that habit. So what is your reliable side to chew? Do you have even chewing, right and the left? Or when you have a piece of steak, does it go to the right side? For sure, because that's the side that's strong and chewing consistently, or do you even out with your chewing? The other thing is, if possible, you want to chew with the front incisors and the premolars first before you send the food to finish off with your back molars. So back molars are the finishers, and if you're chewing, especially if you're eating in a hurry or you really eat quickly, and if you're biting down with the back teeth, the thick stuff, it's like a four-wheel drive car on a sand dune. You can understand the jaws going up and down with a thick material with the back teeth. That obviously causes jaw problem too. So, does any of this ring a bell? If you do notice some slight asymmetry to your face, this may be something to be aware of. Make a conscious effort to chew evenly through your mouth, left, right, And if you cannot, is that because the dental problem is there, because of the pain, and you can't chew properly? Then the facial asymmetry may be related to fixing the teeth. So then you got to get to the dentist to sort it out. I hope this helps. Obviously, if you're chewing on one side, that could cause problem in the jaw joint because you're favoring one side a lot. Okay, now this will be the last video of the year of 2025. Thank you for watching, and happy rehab. And if you haven't subscribed, now I realize that the 90% of viewers are not subscribed, so please subscribe if you are interested in knowing these information related to your jaw, everything to do with your jaw. So I hope you have a lovely New Year's, and I'll see you in the next year. Okay, happy rehab. Cheers.